BPAs on this, right?
Chrissy, you're so good at your job. You're an amazing snack fairy. Extras walk through, then you can start pushing.
Okay. It looks better.
You're psychotic.
Chemistry.
2 deltas, take 1. Mark it.
Action.
It's a very specific line in Prison of Azkaban that I can do.
I'm stealing the formula brand.
That's Plankton's best line.
And just like that, we wrapped The Shape of You, directed by yours truly. I had an amazing cast and crew, and I love them so much. This is my producer, guys. We just turned it in, 18D1. Any words, Tyler?
We're done. Hell yeah. Well, we're not done, but we're done.
We're done. Anyways, good night. Happy Halloween.
And your butt will be like gigantic.
We see Jacob take choppy, shuffling steps forward. With the grace of a cherub, he glides his right foot back like a one-step moonwalk.
So you're planning on going to first shot, no ass, match cup with ass?
No, as in like that'll be the end. So
Got
that'll
it.
be the bookmark.
So you're not doing like you're matching shots, not doing okay, cool.
Finally came time for Elio's hilarious film, on which I got to serve as production designer with the help of Allison and Lauren, and we got to shoot in this wonderful location that basically did most of the production design work for me.
Alright, Nyla. 1, 2, 1, go. Let's get one picture. 3, 2, 1.
I now have the pleasure of restacking all of the chips on this entire table.
Put these on.
What made working on this production so fun was the fact that everyone was walking around with a dump truck following behind them. The main props of this project were butt pads, so I had the honor of buying both Elio and his actor Jonah a pair of butt pads for them to truck around in, and honestly, no one could focus. Look at the material, the room would shake with every step they took. Next, I was key grip and we got to shoot in this gorgeous church, and I was running around doing everything, but I couldn't do it without all the help I got. Look at us. We did it! Craft table was looking great thanks to our producer Caitlin, and we had to pick up our dolly tracks because they weren't working out, but this dolly shot had to have been my absolute favorite shot of the film. That girl was Usain Bolton with that. And after spending an hour searching all the nooks and crannies of our location for our equipment, we finally got our doors down. And 0.7. We made it to the day of Best Electric, which really scared me because running a 500 amp generator terrifies me, while it was also raining, so of course I had to rain rig, but I got a very easy job considering the lighting plan was very minimal, but the lighting for the film nonetheless turned out amazing, like jaw-dropping, gorgeous.
I have something to say. It's better to burn out than to fade away.
And of course, they had to rehearse in order to get the perfect shot.
Movies, man.
Yeah. Finally, I got to be in my element as second AD, taking care of the cast, doing paperwork, and making sure that crew morale is high. So this is my craft table that I set up for today. We've got donuts, drinks, all sorts of candy, some bars, Pop-Tarts, granola bars, pies, little bites, and chips. Like, we've got the whole thing down. Set, go!
Only after I watch this.
Ooh. Emily is in the lead yet again. She never loses. Oh, but Dakota!
Yeah, you know, it's all presentation. All presentation as he serves himself. About right here. I gotta angle it, you know? This is a job well done.
More than that. Yeah. And the funniest part is when I first walked in, it's literally set up exactly like a photo.
Oh, really?
It was the same thing. But it was like, baby.
How are you doing? When I'm second AD.
I'm having fun. I'm just chilling, getting paperwork signed.
Are you a
do.
producing specialist?
I'm thinking about it.
You are?
So I'm kind of in between that and cine.
Producing is fun. I hate it with every fiber of my being. I hate being the person responsible for like the like.
Right.
Because everyone turns into like a hooligan on set, and I'm like, I hate being like the person that's like, yes, I'm their mother. Like, so just give me, you know, 3 shakes.
How do you kind of shake?
I don't know. Where's that going? Inside? No shot.
It's possible.
Yeah.
Everything's possible.
How's it going?
Some people
Good.
like to-
I only need Lucas and Reagan's signature.
Make
I'm
sure
gonna
that
pull up the
that
DPR on my
everything's
laptop.
in, like a game box.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna set up in the green room.
Yeah. But if that's
It's
good,
going
then,
well.
If I talked about being in my element before, I really mean it now, because look at all this paperwork I got out as producer.
Action!
That's a great pre-workout, Jax.
Cut.
I was so busy that I took more photos than videos, but a picture is 1,000 words or something. I don't know what they said. A picture's worth 1,000 words.
They can't draw.
Think Chris, he got it.
And then it went to extra time. He lost his bet. He was like, what the fuck? My roommate, so he bets on like,
Here are some more words spoken through pictures of the beautiful cast that I love so much. Oh, I mean crew, damn. Somehow I forgot to mention the film that I produced was the very last of the cycle, and since it was in November and approaching Thanksgiving break, we decided to gather together and have a cute little friendsgiving. So I just felt like that was the best way to end this video off.
Stand up. Stand up inside the safety room. Shut up.
Oh yeah, we're going to go through ATL.
If Shayla makes me wait 10 minutes to eat, she's gonna
I got time. I'm gonna go so fast.
Lock it up.
Why did they go?
Get another seat.
Thank y'all for coming to 32D1. A little safety. There's a fire, so don't fall. Passing it to my production designer.
Wait,
Production designer?
Where did we stand on time?
I just figured out I got this job today. Yeah, we got a lot of good prop work in front of us right now. Be careful on my props.
Continuity?
Continuity, yeah. PD. Respect the PD, please. To my DP, Chris. All right, guys, we have a lovely little scene here today. We're gonna get a lot of good coverage. We're gonna start with a wide dolly, 3 tracks. All right. We got the floodlight, so no lights. We're gonna keep it simple. Maybe a diva, maybe 2. It'll be good. Yeah, and let's just make sure we eat till we can't eat no more. Hey, is Mark? DP, is Mark visiting? Is Mark visiting the set? Yeah, Mark will be coming. So, your best. Make sure we're working, guys. Yeah!
You guys are all jokes aside. I'm so excited. We're gonna get into the sentimental shit a little later after we eat. But I just want to thank y'all for coming and grab. If the turkey nasty, Alexis made it.
This is a picture of me in the post hall when it was time to edit the films, but that officially concludes my first semester of film school. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more film school diaries, and I'll see you in the next one.